Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Marion County in south-central Mississippi, southern Lamar County in southeastern Mississippi, until 3:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:29 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sandy Hook, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Pineyville around 2:40 a.m. Central Standard Time. Baxterville around 2:50 a.m. Central Standard Time. Purvis and Pine Ridge around 3:05 a.m. Central Standard Time. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 a.m. Central Standard Time for south central and southeastern Mississippi. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.